Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kay County in northern Oklahoma, northern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Noble County in northern Oklahoma, northern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Grant County in northern Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Madrid County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles southwest of Billings to near Wacomas to 7 miles east of Okeen to 4 miles northwest of Watonga, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Enid, Perry, Watonga, Hennessy, Wacomas, Okeen, Garber, Kenton, Covington, Billings, Drummond, Red Rock, Marshall, Longdale, Breckenridge, Ames, Marland, Hunter, Fairmont, and Hitchcock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Flood watch